It's a young baby drinking milk from mother pouch. It's a very interesting. I saw last 2 years the kangaroo look after her baby always, and baby also stay around their mom every time. Very quiet animal. Kangaroos, after born, kangaroos baby go into their mother pouch. I don't know, I didn't see. So I heard about it, I saw about it in the internet. But I saw the pouch getting bigger day by day, and I saw the small baby, they come their head from their mother pouch, and I saw some little baby play with in the ground, and when they saw me and they put it in their mother pouch, and how the mother help us to put inside the little baby. And this is the very adolescent baby. The mother take care as well. Mother don't care about how big their kids. It's very nice animal. This is the mom nature is in the world.